So Wade, this job is challenging, and one of the biggest, I guess, bits of feedback we get from a customer, and one of the hardest problems to solve is how we control those DevOps guys, those guys that are doing infrastructure as a code, they're building applications, they're deploying APIs, they're doing all the things outside of what core infrastructure generally drives, but they've got to comply to some sort of policy. So what's the best way to deal with that? It's a tough one.
So, the problem is ownership, right? Who owns what? Right? There's infrastructure, there's the app itself, there's containers, everything like that is struggling. And you can't bolt security on. It has to be built in from day one.
Salt. So when we're cooking, we're adding salt to the process along the way, right?
Yeah.
We're checking for flavor. We're not just dumping a whole lot in at the end, because it just doesn't work like that. We don't get the right result. So it's probably a similar sort of concept, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. So feed all that in and make it so the developer is not something out of his box where he doesn't have to worry about, right? It's just there that he is built in as he's developing.
So he's got the tools, he's got the frameworks, he's got the policies, he's just got to make sure that those things are enabled.
Because innovation keeps coming, right? You don't want to stop innovation. We've got to keep that innovation flowing, right? The developer keeps working, he works on his next innovation. So as long as we can simplify that life for them, right, and we can still be secure. Okay,
so the three key things there: make sure that there's good, solid stakeholder management, policy, etc. in place for those teams.
Yep.
Make sure that they understand that we're embedding security from the get-go through all parts of the infrastructure, and make sure that there's control.
And it's centralized control but distributed.
Gotcha.
You have to have it everywhere.
Yep, gotcha.
Yep.
Nice.